So you are thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you are considering Henderson, Nevada. Well, we are in Henderson today at the M Resort, and we're going to show you guys today 3 different properties so you can determine what probably will fit best for your budget. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we're going to show you a really cool surprise at the end. So as we always like to say on this channel, let the show begin, because we're getting after it right now. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, make sure you hit that subscription button down below, and make sure you tap that bell so that you guys can be notified of any new videos that come out that will help keep you informed in regards to what's happening here in the Henderson area and as well as in the Las Vegas Valley. Now, I know that I just said 3 homes. We're actually going to show you about 4 homes in this video. And again, stick around to the end. We're not just going to have one little surprise for you. We're going to put together a little bundle of a surprise. So make sure you stick around to the end so you can see all of that gathered information for you, and I definitely think that you guys will enjoy it. So what we're going to do today is just jump into the car. We're going to show you a few properties, from condos to mid-level homes to some of the high-end homes, all those different types of things. Each time we've shown you a property, we're also going to take you quickly around maybe the neighborhood or drive the streets really quickly, just so you can get a feel of it. I mean, sometimes people really want to, I wouldn't say sometimes, most people really want to understand the neighborhood a little bit in regards to where they're going to be buying into or where they may be selling their property, all those different types of things. So again, enjoy the videos, and again, not 3, but 4 houses, and again, stick around to that end. And we're going to start you guys out with some condos or townhomes here in the Henderson area, because you can find properties in those sort of 300 price points and all that kind of good stuff. But with this unit that's behind me, this is going to be the unit that's at 1521. This particular property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and is actually built in 2004. So great property. Sometimes you can definitely find something that's a little bit more or a little less expensive in regards to getting into the Henderson area. Great location on this particular property, right next to our Green Valley, the district area, also just right by the 215 in regards to getting onto that freeway access, that sort of kind of that sea that's had a hard time in Las Vegas is what I like to call it. But nonetheless, great opportunities, great ways to get in. If your budget is more around that 300, 400 sort of kind of entry level, you can definitely find these units here. We'll sneak you inside really quickly, show you a few photos, and then we'll take you a drive around this area so you can see what the neighborhood sort of looks like. And with this particular property, the one that we're coming up onto, we sold this property sometime last year, but this one right behind us here, absolutely stunning property, really fun community in the sense of this courtyard right behind us. We did shoot this video earlier in regards to doing a little bit of information on it, but as you can see, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful property. And in this great area, we actually sold this property here on the corner. And really beautiful property. As you can see, they probably had some issues with that tree because we definitely had to cut it down. But I loved this particular one because of the courtyard and the feel. If you saw one of our earlier videos, you saw that there was a cat that made a home. But this is the house, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. We'll tell you a little bit about this particular property here. Just a quaint neighborhood, very beautiful, very quiet. So maybe we can drive through there just so we can get a little bit of... Definitely. And our next house that we're going to show you guys is going to be here in the Henderson area, just off of the sort of the 215. We're jumping into this one. So with this next property, the one that we're going to be, not the single story, but this one actually here, this one is a 2-story property. It's a 2,009 square feet. It has about 3,222 square feet. The property is listed for $640,000. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath property. Has a beautiful pool on this one as well, guys. So you definitely can find something here in that Henderson area, as well as that entry-level property that we showed you, but you could also find a beautiful property here in Henderson for about that $640,000, just under $700,000. Great location, again, just by the 215. You can get yourself out to Lake Las Vegas if you want as well, Lake Mead, all those different types of areas. But let's jump into the car and show you around the neighborhood and see what you guys think of this particular property. But again, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, $640,000, 3,222 square feet, with a beautiful sparkling pool in the background. Okay, so this next one, we started to get into a little bit of a wind here, so I'm gonna hold my jacket down. But this next property, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. It's in the canyon area of Henderson. Now, modern. The year of the property is 2020. The square footage of this particular beauty, not this one here, but this particular property here is, I don't want to show the license plate of the car, but for this particular one, it is going to be 3,156, so 3,156 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, listed at 1.375 million. Absolutely everything that you want in this particular property. They've loaded this home up. Beautiful strip views, beautiful mountain views, gated community, all of that kind of great stuff as far as the offering of this particular property. So with this, let me know if you have any interest on this one as well. Of course, we'd love to reach out to you. But again, 2020 is the build of this particular property, and again, stunning views. Check out the photos, and we're going to jump into the car, and we're going to show you a little bit of the neighborhood so you can feel what your neighbors are looking like as well. great properties. Well, I hope you guys found something in there that sort of fits to your budget, or at least maybe sparked some questions for you. And by the way, my name is Lavert Pompey Benefield. I haven't introduced myself, so my apologies. But I and my team, we help people just like yourself in regards to selling, purchasing properties here in the Henderson area in the Las Vegas Valley. It doesn't matter if you need it like in 3 days, like immediately, if you happen to be relocating because of work, because you have the hospital may be sending you out here, you may be being transferred because you're in the military, all those different types of things, or if you just be a wonderful family or individual moving here, you need to find a home, you need to find a property either to sell or purchase immediately. We would love the ability to walk alongside you and earn that right to call ourselves your advisor. So make sure you click the link down below, or look for our information in the description, or use that survey in the header. And with that, guys, let's jump over to this beautiful set of surprises that we put together for you. Hope you guys enjoy. And guys, as you can see behind me is the Las Vegas Raiders. This is where their practice facility is. You guys can come here throughout the season during that practice season in regards to getting into and seeing the guys play. And in this particular area of Henderson, yes, it's a little bit older, but at the same time, the Water Street District has definitely revitalized this area in major ways. If you're a local and you have not been down to this area, make sure you check it out. It is a must. It's fun. It reminds me almost of the downtown Las Vegas area of the Arts District. So a little bit of that fun, hip, revitalized kind of energy, great barbecue, great Mexican food, all that kind of great stuff, and bringing the community together. So again, guys, if you have not checked out the Water Street District, make sure you get here. guys enjoyed that. And again, remember, click the link in regards to the survey and our banner. Hit the descriptions down below if you have any questions, any concerns, and we'll definitely look forward to reaching out to you. And we will see you in the next video.